Hey YouTube, in this video I will teach you how to install Windows 10 and 11 in 3 minutes, without extra talk but quite clearly, starting from the second. Let's go! For a clean Windows install, you will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Put it in your computer. The tool for creating a Windows image can be downloaded from the official site. The process is simple. If you want, choose the system language, then choose Create Install Media, and at the end choose the USB drive for install. I want to note that the USB drive will be fully cleared, so save data from it on another drives. And not only from the USB drive, but also from the system drive C, as it will also be cleared during install. My advice for is name drive C system, and the others however you want. Also, just in case, download the LAN or Wi-Fi driver from the page of your board or laptop. And now the install media is ready. For those who install Windows 11, I strongly recommend using the answer file from this page. I will leave the link in the description. This file will help install Windows 11 without logging into a Microsoft account, without internet and hardware needs. It will be simpler and faster, skipping all ads during install, and you can log into the needed accounts after system install. The answer file just needs to be put on the USB drive with Windows. Restart the system and press the boot menu button. On different boards these buttons are different, but usually it is F2, F7 or F11. Choose your USB drive. After that, click Next. I do not have a product key, I advise choosing the Pro version, and then custom install. And this is why we renamed the drives. Delete system and other parts of the same drive without a name. As a result, one empty part will appear. Click on it and press Next. After install, the system will restart and the setup processes will begin. If you cannot connect to Wi-Fi, then choose the Wi-Fi driver folder that you downloaded earlier. It will install itself. Then you can give a name to your system, and if you want, set a password. Also remove privacy items. And here the fresh installed system is ready. What I advise doing first: download and install drivers for the video card, and all safety pages from the Windows Update Center. As for Windows activation, I will leave detailed information in the description of this video. And finally, small tricks for Windows setup. Open Control Panel, change the view of icons, and then mouse settings, pointer options, and here turn off mouse acceleration, so you can better feel cursor movement. In Power Options, if you have a desktop PC, then set the power plan to high performance. On Windows 10, type in search background apps and fully turn them off. If you have an SSD drive, you can turn off system drive indexing. This way you will make it last longer. That is all, use Windows and be healthy. Of course, this is very short information, but basically this is all you need to know about installing Windows. If you need a more complete solution to problems, there are many videos on YouTube about this topic. Well, don't waste your time, good luck to all, and bye.